Amphenol Ardent's ICFP offers 50 ohm access to IC contact pads and signal pads on an IC circuit footprint. This solution is a simple to manipulate, cost-effective, and time-saving alternative to expensive XY tables and fragile planar probes for engineers who may need to probe multiple signals at once. The ICFP is used for probing differential signal pairs on the socket footprint. When receiving your ICFP, you will find the following: the IC footprint probe, an alignment plate, and a stiffener block. The ICFP itself features high-performance replaceable interface, low-loss semi-rigid coax enabling 0.8 mm pitch probing, 2.92 mm or 1.85 mm connectors. On the alignment plate, the A1 marker is used to orientate the alignment plate with respect to the A1 marker on the PCB. This ensures that the correct signal paths are probed. If your ICFP is missing any of these parts, or if you would like to know where specifically they can be found on the ICFP, please contact support@ardentconcepts.com. For smaller boards, the first step is to align the mounting holes of the PCB, the alignment plate, and the stiffener block. When doing this, please make sure that the A1 marker of the alignment plate is in the correct location. Once this is done, the best way to align the three pieces is to press the alignment plate and stiffener block together using one hand, with the PCB in the middle. Then shift the alignment plate and the stiffener block until the three holes are aligned. For larger boards, the best method would be to place the board on top of the stiffener, roughly estimating the correct alignment. Next, place the alignment plate on top of the board and adjust the board until the mounting holes align. Once the mounting holes on all three pieces are aligned, run the supplied M3 socket head screws through the alignment plate and PCB into the threaded mounting holes of the stiffener block. When tightening the screws, please tighten to 1.5 inches per pound. The ICFP will come attached to a shipping cover. The purpose of this shipping cover is to protect the interface during storage and travel. There are two M1 pan screws that attach the ICFP ground block to the shipping cover. Please keep the assembly vertical while performing this process, as the screws are not captive and can fall out. Removing these screws will allow you to detach the shipping cover from the ground block, exposing the interface. The ICFP aligns to the alignment plate through the use of two locating dowels. The dowels are keyed in such a way that the ICFP can only install to the probing sites in one orientation. Be sure to orientate the locating dowels on the ICFP to the alignment plate properly during installation. If there is resistance when inserting the dowel pins into the holes, do not force the ICFP, as the pin should slide into place with the probes over the signals you wish to measure. Once the ICFP has slid into its proper position, please use the screws that had once mounted the ground block to the shipping cover and use them to attach the ground block to the alignment plate. The proper torque spec for these screws are 1.5 inches per pound. Once the ICFP has been successfully mounted, remove the connector dust caps from the bulkhead connectors and you are set to begin taking measurements. To remove the ICFP, simply reverse the steps listed prior. Thanks for watching. Please don't hesitate to contact us for help solving your application challenges.